Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by anchoring the mesh at the top. Grab the mesh and fold its reinforced edge over the rim so the center aligns with the backboard. Secure the first loop at a primary eyelet or hook. This sets tension and prevents twisting. Once done, tighten that loop so it sits snug without bunching the net. Make sure the mesh hangs evenly before you move clockwise. Establishing one fixed point makes the rest of the process predictable and faster. You continue by working around the rim, attaching loops one by one. Move clockwise, pairing each mesh loop with a rim hook or eyelet and apply moderate tension so adjacent loops share load evenly. If hooks are uneven or missing, use zip ties or overhand knots to bridge gaps. This maintains circular shape and prevents sagging. As you progress, pause to adjust tension and ensure the net hangs centered. Small corrections. You finish by securing the remaining loops and trimming excess material. Tighten any loose knots or zip ties and smooth the mesh so the net tapers evenly toward the center. Once complete, give the rim a slow spin to spot asymmetry and retension any slack loops. Make sure the net clears the rim without catching. If the mesh sags or rips, replace damaged sections or reinforce weak hooks immediately. This prevents recurring issues and keeps play safe and consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.